Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to log in by typing your username and password. So once you're in, you'll be at the academic page automatically. So you have to navigate back to the class setup page. So you have to click on the class setup, and once you are at the class setup page, you will see a list of all available classes that you have already created. Now to create a new class, you have to click on the new class button on your top right corner of the page. This brings up the new the class form for you to fill. So the class name, program description or class description. Then you have to select the program the class belong to. So you can just drop down, you see available programs and you select. You can also pick a year group. The year group is populated from the CMS admin. So if a year group that you want is not available here, you can add it from the CMS admin and it will show up here, just like the programs. And also you can pick a class tutor. So all the tutors who have signed up on the system as users will be shown up here. Then when you are done, you can click on the save button to save it. When you check the completed button, it only unlists the class from most of the activities or most of the processes, because it is assumed that that class has completed, so it won't be listed in most of the class views. So when you are done, click on save, and then you can check the class list to see whether your class is added. So automatically you can see that the class is added there. And once you select it, below that one there is no semester showing, but the other classes have semesters assigned to them. So so these are semesters for the post-NAC 6. So to create a new semester, you only have to select the class, click on the new semester button, and then set the class name. Again, the class name can be set by the system using the semester tag. So even though if I don't set the semester name and I type in the correct tag, the system can set it for me. So some of the tags includes or the tag format is mainly year 1, semester 1, or semester 2, semester 3, or year 2, semester 1, semester 2, semester 3. Once you are following these formats, the system knows exactly what to do, so it can correctly set the semester name or the semester number for you. So we have year 2, semester 1, year 1, semester 2. You only have to make sure that you are typing it correctly, and they all have to be in caps. So once you are done with the semester tag, you have to set the semester date, the start and end of the semester. So you can set the span, the starting date, and then the end of the semester. And once you're done with that one, the only thing you have to do is to click on save to create a new semester. So I'll just go ahead and do that. So I'll pick the first for the start date, and I'll just pick any date for the end, and I'll click on save, and this is supposed to create my new semester for me. And that's it, the new semester is created. Okay, so once you are at the class setup page, you see all the classes available. If you want to add a semester to any class, you can just select the class. Let's say Postnac 7, and then the existing semesters will be populated. If you want to add a new semester, you only have to go in there and then type the tag of the semester, or just search the semester name, add a tag. So the tag is supposed to be something like year, in caps year. Let's say we are going to year 2 semester 1, which is supposed to be the 3rd semester. So I'll just pick any date of choice, and then I'll just click on save. But when I do this without typing the new semester, what it will do is that it will actually update this semester. That's not what I want. What I want is to create a new semester. So first of all, be sure you click on new semester before you go ahead with any other information. So year 1 semester 2, and then I will set the details here. I'll set the semester start date here. I'll just pick any other date for the end date. Then I'll click on save. So in this case, it's now creating the new semester. As you can see, our new semester is set. Year 1 semester 2. So year 1 semester 2 is actually the 2nd semester, which is correct. It's now is set. What I want is to make it the 3rd semester rather. So I can click on the edit button, and then the information is populated again. So I'll make it year 2 semester 1, and then I'll click on save. This is supposed to be the 3rd, so I'll click on save. Okay, so I'll do the same thing here. I'll click on new semester here. I'll come to the tag now, right? Year 1 semester 2. I'll pick any date for the start and end.